Today I'm going to start in Essential Elements, Book 1. And here's number 1. Tuning your instrument. Okay, so for most of you, that's going to be your teacher, who will probably have a tuner, something that looks like this. And the tuner tells us how to get the A string in tune. So I look at the tuner. So I'm looking at the tuner while I tune my instrument. And it says it's right on. So I can tune the rest of the strings with the tuner as well, but sometimes, most of the time, I like to tune my instrument by listening. And that sounds like it's in tune.